Here we're going to look at the associative law for addition. What is the associative law? The associative law of addition explains that the answer to an addition calculation will be the same no matter how the numbers are grouped or in which order they are added. Basically, what this means is that as long as you add all the numbers together, it doesn't matter what order you do so. Let's look at an example. So we've got here 2 plus 5 plus 1. I could start by doing 2 plus 5, which will give me 7, then add 1 and I get 8. Or I could do 5 plus 1 first and get 6, then add the 2, I still get 8. Or I could change the order around completely and I do 2 add 1 first, which will give me 3. I then add it to 5 and I get 8. So you have noticed it does not matter what order I add the numbers as long as I add all the numbers together. Thinking, why is the associative law of addition important? It's very important because it helps you to solve mentally. Let's look at this example here. 3 plus 5 plus 7. Now, rather doing the 3 plus 5 first, which will give me 8, and then add in 7, I'm going to use the associative law to make it easier for me to add. So I know my number bonds. So I know that 3 plus 7 will give me 10. I then add 5, which will give me 15. Another example, 20 plus 70 plus 80. Because the associative law states it doesn't matter what order you add the numbers, I'm going to choose to make it easier for myself by adding 20 and 80 first. Why? Because I know my number bonds to 100, and I know that once I get to 100, it's very easy to add on. So 100 plus 70 is 170. This method is a lot easier than trying to do 20 add 70 first and then adding 80 to that. So the associative law is very useful to helping you to add mentally. The associative law, why don't you use it to do some addition? Good luck.